Y'all know the deal, man. Haven't brought out the Trackie in like a week. We've been driving the Mutang, but we got the Insta 360 all set up here, so we get that 360 POV. She sound good, man, but let's hop inside, give you all that POV. Back in the track, man, finally. Haven't driven this thing in a minute. That whine sounds so good. So good. I'm never gonna get tired of having a whine. That Jet Bull on a boat? Damn. So I just moved out to the new area, and I still don't know it yet, but we're surrounded by like farmland. We got a bunch of cows. Y'all see that? Y'all see them cows? Wonder if they like the track. Something's wrong with my paddle shifters, so when I go to upshift, it downshifts. Downshift works. When I go to downshift, it downshifts, but when I go to upshift, it downshifts. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I don't know what the deal is. I really do not know. I'll give you guys an example right now, actually. So we're in sport mode, we're in paddle shifter mode. Watch this, I'm in 4th gear. I go to upshift, 3rd. Can anybody tell me what that problem is and how do I fix that? It's really annoying. But I can downshift perfectly fine. It's just upshifting, it just doesn't want to work. So got to keep that in drive mode. We got to turn this baby on, record. Y'all want to see the setup I got? Look at this. So this is a Trackhawk on a 360. Sometimes it freezes, but it's still recording. But so I got my iPad. See the little Trackhawk setup. You know what I mean, man. You know what I mean. I'm sorry. I gotta stop talking for y'all. I know y'all do not want to hear my voice. You just want to hear, you just want to hear the whine. I'm sorry. Okay. Amazon looking. And we say bye-bye. Bye-bye. We say bye-bye. We say bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Man, I cannot wait to get some long tube headers on this. I cannot wait to get that. It is going to get rid of the whine a little bit, but oh, headers is going to make this thing scream. It already sounds so good though. It sounds so good. So good, man, so good. What is that? Is that the new 350Z? It is a new 350Z. Is it called 350? 360? I don't know anything about those brands. I'm not a car person, guys. I do not know. I don't know what it's called. It's a Nissan Z. I know that. Let's see if he wants to play. Let's see if he wants to play. Excuse me, sir. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through, damn it. Oh, now you want to speed up. Okay, my apologies. I know you gotta like that, little bro. When I have it in track mode, it's got this slight little burble to it. Let's see if he wants to play. Whoa, there, I forgot I'm in a Trackhawk. Forgot I'm in a Trackie. Sometimes I forget what I'm driving, man. This ain't no Mutang. It's not a Mutang, not a Corvette. It's a Trackie. We're in a Trackie. Family SUV. Family SUV. Can't forget it. Oh, they're a magic school bus. Whoa, 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 whoa. We scooting. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, sir. Let me just scoot on right in here. Why is there traffic? We say bye-bye. We don't like traffic. Something just popped. Something broke. I don't know what that was. Y'all hear that? It sound like some crap. I hope it wasn't my 360. We gonna have to look at that. The Whine just sounds so good. I could just listen to that all day. I'm really hoping that wasn't the roof that cracked, because the 360 suction is right on it. It's the only place I could put it. It's been fine before. I never had an issue with it. I guess we better find out. One more for the one time. Uh-oh, y'all see that? We got a little underpass action. Hit it with a little. This thing's too fast. Should not be able to move like that. Like I was saying before, in the track mode, when you have the trackie in track mode, you get some burbles. There's no tune on this thing. It's not even a tune. We have a mid-muffler delete, so I don't know if that's what's causing the burbles, but only in track mode we get a little burble action. Very nice, very nice. See, I don't know if you can hear it. It's very subtle. Very subtle burble. What is going on here? Why are we braking? What is this man doing? Do not know what he was doing. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. It boggles my mind how some people do not know how a traffic circle works. Like they don't yield, they just go. They think it's a circle, so they could just go. Not how it works, my friend. Not how it works. All right, let's go look at the damage. Please do not be bad. We are okay. I think underneath might be cracked, but I doubt it. But everything looks to be okay.